Hi everyone, hope you're ticking bee. Get ready to level up your video and photography game with the ultimate balancing solution. Today we're going to be taking the DJI RS2 to that next level, showing you how to balance it with ease. But before we start it off, let's have a bit of a laugh with today's little joke. Why couldn't the pirates play cards? Because the captain was standing on the deck. Now, are you ready to perfectly balance your Canon R6 with the RF50? So now I'm going to show you all the measurements and some top tips to make it really easy for you. If you've got any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments down below and I'll always get back to you. Let's get into it. As you can see, it's in the middle of the balance test. Don't want to bore you to tears with this one, so here's the results of it. All excellent. Thus, as you can see, everything's moving nice and smoothly. Let's get into those measurements to make it easier for you. The measurements, quick top tip for you. When you're using a lens as light as this one with this setup, okay, it's a good idea to leave the lens bracket down the bottom here. Okay, the reason being is it adds a bit more weight to the front, and then that way you can get your gimbal set up nice and easily and use these measurements. Plus, it doesn't get in the way of the view on there. Right, so the first measurements we got are the base plate here. So that is set at 7.2 and 9.5. And if you own the RF16, it'll be exactly the same measurements as well even. Here's a quick photo of that one. Next, we've got the side plate here, okay, or the side arm should I say. That's 1 and 3. Here's a quick photo of that one. Then you've got the back plate, okay. Now the back plate here is set at 2.2 and 6.2. So that's 2.2 and 6.2. Here's a photo of that one. And last but not least, it's the bottom one here. That's set at 1 or just above 1 and 4.8. And here's a photo of that one. So there you go. Nice and simple, isn't it? If you found this useful or enjoyed it in any way, then give it the old thumbs up. Thanks for watching everybody. Get out there, start making some awesome footage. Have fun while you're doing it. Keep smiling. Take care of yourselves. See ya.